Nilaro ng Pinoy Swifties ang hashtag suggestions para sa upcoming wedding ng newly engaged power couple na sina Taylor Swift at Travis Kelce. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan, si MJ Marfori.
It's a love story, baby. Just say yes! Yes na yes nga ang sagot ni Taylor Swift kay NFL star Travis Kelce. Engaged na sila after 2 years of dating. Sa Instagram post ni Tay-Tay, sabi niya, your English teacher and your gym teacher are getting married. Sabay flex ng diamond ring na posibleng 8 carats daw. Mula Enchanted hanggang So High School, parang lyrics na naging realidad ang kanilang pag-iibigan. Pati nga si US President Donald Trump napariang.
I think he's a great guy, and I think that she's a terrific person. So I wish them a lot of luck.
Siyempre, hindi papatalo ang Swifties. Nagpapagalingan na nga ng hashtag for the upcoming wedding. Nilaro ang hashtag #AnteRavis. Sabi ng isa, tailored to be with Travis. Meron namang forever taken by Travis. Basta, today was a fairy tale for Taylor and Travis. At oo, they're out of the woods at papunta na sa altar. Taylor plus Travis equals always and forever. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, MJ Marfori, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Jervy Wrightson po, eto na nga. Para sa latest showbiz news at iba pang kay-alaman, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.